Hello, good morning. Today is 2022 August 15th, Monday. Today I will talk about how we can open a URL, a website in Python. It's very surprising to many people. You may think it will be very complicated, but actually we need only 2 lines. Then open the Google. Of course, you can also use Python to do something. For example, again, you can have something automatically written down here and says everything can do with Python. But of course that will be a bit more complicated, but just for opening, it's just too simple, only 2 lines. So that is the beauty of Python, is that you can have a lot of packages, and if you know the right packages, you can save a lot of time and effort and writing code. Now, for me, I already written something here, and it's called a newsreader. I put down some of the news that I have to read. You can increase more to the list, and then can open them all together automatically. So I will have the 3 news automatically, maybe 10 news or whatever, or everything you want to read every day. You can do this simple code. So you get a BBC, and after reading, you close it. Then the next one, that is Washington Post, the World News. You close it, and then you get news. That is the Reuters. Okay. So very good, isn't it? You can always do everything for you. Of course, you can use the so-called bookmarks, but I don't like it because I want to store everything in text. Because everything in text, I back it up, and no matter what kind of browser I'm changing, whatever computer I'm changing, I have all my text information back up every day to my OneDrive. So that is the best way. So again, come back to this one. You can see that just with 2 lines, then you can open. So again, it's very convenient of using Python, and with the right packages, and also editing it using Emacs. Okay. Now I can say for and so on, and new and that and else no. That the Emacs can do everything for you. Okay. So anyway. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and we'll share with you some and other Python tricks in the near future. Bye.